Looking for a browser that blocks ads and protects your privacy automatically? I'll show you exactly how to install Brave browser on Windows 10. Open any web browser you currently have on your Windows 10 PC. Go to Google and search for Brave browser and hit enter. When you get there, click on the first search result for brave.com. On the Brave homepage, locate and click the Download Brave button. The installer will start downloading immediately. This typically takes just a few seconds depending on your connection speed. Once the download completes, open your Downloads folder. You'll find the Brave installer file there. Double-click the installer file to launch it. The setup wizard will begin automatically, downloading and installing the latest version of Brave on your Windows 10 system. This process typically takes between 30 seconds to 1 minute. After installation finishes, Brave will open automatically. You'll see a welcome screen with various options. If you'd like to make Brave your primary browser, you may click on Set Brave as default when prompted. You can also import bookmarks and settings from your previous browser at this stage, or skip this and set it up later. You may see a prompt asking if you want to contribute to Brave search. You can click Sure, I'll help, or maybe later, based on your preference. Brave is now successfully installed on your Windows 10 computer and ready for private, ad-free browsing.